Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and choosing the fastest path, HDMI input or capture card. If your laptop lacks HDMI in, use a USB capture device. Once connected, plug the Xbox HDMI into the capture input and the capture USB to your laptop. Make sure both machines are on the same router or Ethernet for streaming. You should also enable console streaming options on the Xbox so the system accepts remote connections. This reduces setup friction and prevents permission blocks when you start capturing. Once devices are physically connected, configure the software layer. If using a capture card, open its app or OBS and choose the capture device as the video source. Set the resolution to 1080p and a 60Hz frame rate to balance quality and latency. If you stream over the network with the Xbox app, pair the console and choose Remote Play. This avoids HDCP issues but increases network dependency. Make sure audio sources route correctly so game sound comes from the capture device and your microphone from the laptop. Now launch your game and confirm full screen capture on the laptop. You should see video and hear audio from the Xbox. Once done, test input lag by moving in a simple menu and adjust bitrate or resolution to smooth performance. If you experience problems, power cycle the Xbox, reconnect HDMI and USB, and ensure HDCP is turned off when using a capture device. A key troubleshooting tip: if the laptop shows no signal, confirm the laptop actually supports HDMI in, most do not, so the capture card or network streaming is mandatory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.